Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ubuntu stuck on boot logo and how you can simply fix this problem step by step. So I have 9 steps to solve this problem. So you make sure follow the steps very carefully. So first one is the open TTY. It's called text console. You can simply press in your keyboard Control plus Alt plus F3. On the start screen, if a login prompt appears, Ubuntu is running and it's showing something like this, then you can simply press it. Okay. So after there will be a login TTY option will be pops up. It will going to show you something like login to your username and password. Just simply give your username and give your password. Now you are into the text console. After you can simply check the disk space. Okay, so full disk can cause boot issues. For that, what you can do, first type this command df space -h, and here you're going to see to the use option that if it use is 90% or more, then you have to some free up space. So for that, you can type here this command to the clean cache sudo space apt space clean space and space sudo journal ctl space dash vacuum dash time equal 3d, or you can simply give 7d also. Then you can simply reboot your PC. I think if the problem in the disk space, then your problem will be solved. And if it's not, then you can simply come over this image and you have to update system and fix broken packages. For that, you have to type the command this sudo space apt space update, and then you're going to get example output like this. And then you can type sudo space apt space full dash upgrade space dash y, and then you're going to see something. The output looks like this. And after that, you can simply reboot your PC, and I hope this problem will be solved. And if it's not solved yet, then you can simply come over into this image. It's showing fix possible broken dependency. Look at the first command sudo space dpkg space dash configure space -a, and then you're going to see output looks like this. And then try the second command, and then after running the second command, if you see something like the output looks like this, then reboot after this step. If it's not solved yet, then you can simply check and reinstall the graphics driver. If you're using NVIDIA, then you can simply type this command lspci space this symbol space grep space -i space vga. So, and then if showing your driver, then simply type second command. It will going to reinstall your driver. And I hope this time your problem will be solved. And after the reboot, you have to perform and then come over into the 7th step, boot to recovery mode if TTY doesn't open. If the TTY doesn't open, then what we have to do, you have to simply add grub menu and select advanced option for Ubuntu. When you restart your PC, you're going to see something grub menu, and on there you're going to find out advanced option for Ubuntu, and then you have to simply just click it. And then you can simply see the instruction over here. You have to simply look forward to the recovery mode, and then you have to repair the system recovery mode. To run the command one by one, you can simply see first you have to type the first fsck space -y. I'm going to show you indication what you have to first type this command, then second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and it will going to fix your problem. And after you remove the recovery mode from grub, for that you have to type this command, and you're going to get the find this line, change it to something like this, and then simply type another time this command, and then reboot your PC. And this time it will going to fix your problem in a very simple way. So this is the way you can simply fix your problem. Thank you so much if it helps you, and if it's not, then simply comment below too. I'm going to fix the next solution for this problem, so don't worry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.